Hi, this is Jim with GME Supply, and today we're going to talk about the revolutionary Harken Wingman material handling haul kit. Harken and GME have teamed up to bring you this exclusive product. It's unlike anything on the market. It puts the power of control and precision in your hands, all in a lightweight and compact design. With micro adjustment capabilities, fully integrated swivel connectors, and a recommended working load of up to 330 pounds, you can achieve the perfect positioning of your load during the last few critical inches of lifting or lowering. It meets all ASME B30.26 standards for material handling and can be easily switched between a 4-to-1 or a 5-to-1 configuration. The eccentric sheave locks the rope in place, providing integrated progress capture, and the two-piece construction is stronger than set screws or set pins to provide added strength. When fully raised, the device completely nests together, allowing you to use the material handling Wingman easily in areas where space is limited. Releasing the device is simple too. You can release via the handle or utilize the included 550 paracord. The pulley connection points can accommodate up to a 5/8 inch shackle. The kit comes with 50 feet of an 8mm proprietary blend of sterling rope, all pre-rigged and packed into a convenient, easy-to-carry bag. With 13 feet of throw when in the 4-to-1 configuration and 10 feet when in the 5-to-1 configuration, you can finish your lowering with control and precision. Experience the Harken difference with a device that is more user-friendly, more flexible, offers remote release, saves you time and money, exclusively from Harken and GME Supply. For more information on the Harken Wingman Material Handling Haul Kit, check out the links below. Hi, this is Jim with GME Supply, and today we're going to talk about the revolutionary... I can't see it until it's like right there. There's no depth perception at all.